Welcome to the channel. Last video uploaded, the ending was kind of abrupt. I tested out a new editing software in Filmora Pro, I think it's called, and not really a big fan of that, but apparently it cut right at the end. So in case you missed it, here's the clip of what was missing in the last video. Alright, got that out of the way. Today is Tuesday, and yesterday, I don't know if you can see that, hang on, there. Yesterday carved all these emblems. They're for prisons around the country, different prisons. There's the prison name right here. This is not right. What the heck happened there? So yeah, I think these issues were caused by a dull tool, by the cutting edge being dull, worn out. That would be my first guess. So always when you troubleshoot on the CNC machine, you start out with the most obvious, the easiest, the cheapest. You know, if you have a part like that where it skips around and it's just kind of cutting weird, you're not going to change the stepper motor, for example, for $200. That's not the problem. Start with the easiest, which is right now changing out the blade. Carve another one. If it resolves, cool. If not, next step would be to look in the software and see if the programming is an issue. Since I carved all these signs yesterday with no problems, it's pretty much 99.9% sure that the program is not the issue. But we'll see. We'll change out the blade and give it another try. Okay, got the new tool in, got the blade switched out. Now this is a messed up piece, you can see. Where is it messed up? Oh yeah, here. It skipped here. So what we're gonna do is we turn it around, we're gonna carve in here. It's gonna carve most likely through, which is fine. But we wanna just kind of see if everything is in position, if everything cuts right, before we go on and use a new one. I carved out the sign. See if you can see me here. It looks like a Swiss cheese, but the information we need we can get from the sign. So where it was messed up, now it looks good. The border here is equal. The writing here is also good. Now here we have a little bit of a problem. You can see here the letters are not carved properly, and then also here the word team is not carved properly. But this little outer border here is also disappearing, so that tells us that here's a low spot. So this is just because of the wood being warped a little bit. This is a low spot, so this is not a software issue, program issue, or a machine issue. It's just simply a material issue. So that's good. Everything is perfect. The border here, you can see how the border is getting thin and thicker, so this is very much cupped. So conclusion, the tooling, changing out the blade, has fixed the problem. So we'll go on and carve the real deal. Alright, here's the final product. I carved about 5 or 6 more. The tooling issue resolved the carving issue, so all good. Those two are connected. You know, switching out the blade, having a sharp cutting tool fixed the problem. If you have a CNC machine, I'm sure you found this type of content pretty helpful. If you don't own a CNC machine, I'm sorry. This was probably the most boring video you've ever seen. Maybe give it a thumbs up anyway. Subscribe to my channel. I do woodworking, CNC work. I have a custom shop, or I have a website called customwooddesign.com. You can check it out. I would appreciate it. You can find me on Instagram at customwooddesign. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Wrapping up the day and watching a movie with the family after that, and tomorrow is a new day, more carving tomorrow, and then we'll take care of the rest. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Servus, peace out.